Foggia rises, proud, resilient, and full of quiet dignity. Often overlooked, this city holds a heart of gold beneath its humble appearance. The land is generous, the fields vast, and the people rooted in tradition and strength. From the echo of Federico II's steps in the old palace ruins to the sacred hush inside the Cathedral of the Assumption, Foggia whispers stories of time, of struggle, and of rebirth. Here, the sun stretches across wheat fields like a golden brushstroke, painting the Tavoliere plain with life. The marketplace hums with everyday poetry, laughter, labor, and layered histories. This is a city that doesn't need to shout. Its soul speaks softly, but with meaning. Foggia is not just a place on the map, it is memory, resilience, and Southern Italian spirit. Look closely, and you'll see its beauty unfold.